Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Shein account. This is going to be for Android, iPhone and on the website for the computer as well. So this is because there's been rumours going around that potentially account information's been leaked, card details, etc, and potentially people getting hacked. So people want to delete the account. I'm going to show you how to do it right here. So first of all, once you're on the website or the app right here, you're going to go to the Me section. So we see your name and all this type of information right here. You're then going to want to go to the cog at the top right to bring up your settings. And then first of all, you're going to want to click on My Payment Options, because you're going to click on that. And then if you have your account information here, with your card, etc., you're going to want to go ahead and delete that in this menu right here, because you need to do this first, because potentially they could save the information and stuff like that. You just don't want any information here. That's the best thing you can do. So delete that first. And then once you've done that, you want to back out of this, back out of the settings right here. Then go to Support. So click on that little icon there. Then click Account. Then it's going to bring up the FAQ. You're going to want to scroll down until you see the one where it says How to Delete My Account. Click on that. Then it's going to explain how to do it here. You can read that for yourself, but basically it's telling me you need to contact the customer service for help. Then they'll run you through it if you say that you wanted to delete it, etc. You can read that for yourself by going to this bit here. And also with the Facebook thing, if you sign up with your Facebook account, you can delete it by yourself, like it says in the screenshot right here. And then you want to remove it, etc. But what you're going to want to do, if you get to this part right here, you want to click the Contact Customer Service. So eventually that's what you want to get to. So click Contact Customer Service. The first part here, you're not actually going to be talking to a real person. You don't want to get anything out of this. But you want to click on Account. And then it will say Account Issue. And you want to click on that. And then just say something here like Delete Account. Because this isn't going to be the bit where you want to get to. So it's then going to come up with a thing where it says Need More Support, click Manual Service. You need to click on that part because you're not going to get it with this little bot here. To get to the actual real thing you need to do is click Manual Service there, that blue little link. And then you can actually chat to someone on live support to do this, but only if it's between their business hours there. But if not, you can submit a ticket to do the same type of thing. So you click Submit a Ticket, then click select question type. And then you got all these issues right here. Or you want to click on Account Issue. And then you're going to describe your question. So what you're going to want to say is delete. So just say please delete my account and all the data with it. So basically, that's going to just let them know that you don't want to have the account anymore. And all the data with it. I've typed that incorrectly, it's hard to speak and do it at the same time. So yeah, once I said please delete my account and all the data with it, once you've done that, you're then going to want to go ahead and submit that just by clicking that submit button right there. And then it's going to get sent to their support team. Once they get back online, shouldn't take too long. Then basically it will say we will get back to you within 48 hours. Then you may check updates and service records or your email. So that your email there, you're going to want to go ahead and check your email. Within the 48 hours period, you'll get an email. And then basically it's going to say, we're going to get you to confirm that you want to delete the account. You want to confirm it there by clicking on the link or whatever comes up. And then it will delete the account. You can check by just logging in with your account details, and again, then it won't let you. That's when you know the account's deleted. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Share this with friends on social media, etc. to let people know just how you do it, because it's kind of difficult to find out. Subscribe for more videos like this. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.